Hey guys, we are going to Kyoto on the bullet train of Japan. So first we are going to the red line, taking the train to the station of the bullet train. Well, the ride to Kyoto is around 15 minutes. The next we will go to the train museum. I've been wanting to go. I want to see what trains they have. After that we'll eat lunch, then we take the bullet train back to Osaka. Then we explore more here because we have literally only 2 more days left. See you later. Let's take the red line to Osaka Station. Buying tickets was very easy. Alright, time to take the Osaka Metro. The Shinkansen ticketing office is located on the 3rd floor.
Please check your ticket. Thank you for...
Oh, look at this bullet train. Let's see how fast it can go. Osaka to Kyoto is only less than 15 minutes. It would have taken us over an hour if we drove to Kyoto. When you get to Kyoto, you will need to change to the Sagano line to the train museum. It is only 1 stop away. Here at the museum, you can explore so many trains. Right, steam train is next. Let's go. Look how they parked their steam trains. It is so cool. If you are planning to come to this museum, be sure to come early. There is so much to explore. Alright, it was so much fun. It's closing time. It is 5 o'clock the closing time, and now it is 4:52.
Alright, that's it.
We're going back to Osaka.
Bye, museum.
Bye. It's like a Chinese hotel. This is Japanese Kung Fu. Japanese Kung Fu and Long Kung Fu.
Everybody clap. Finish. Everybody clap.
Alright guys, we're on our way to the football card store. Let's go! If you are into collecting sports cards, be sure to visit Mint at Omeda. This is what I have. That's from Ronaldo. Are you a football fan? You will not want to miss the Camo Soccer Shop. It is our last evening on Osaka. It is time to say goodbye. We definitely will come back and visit this beautiful city again. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Where are we gonna go next? See you next time.